Hi, my name is Anand. I am from Singapore. So actually, I saw the advertisement through YouTube. I saw many videos in YouTube. So I just got the result is very good. So I talked with the team, IFT team. So I'm really satisfied with their approach and everything. So I told him, so they are going to do like 5,000 grafts because I'm like almost my frontal area and the mid scalp and the crown area almost like almost gone everything. So they told me like 5,000 grafts. So they introduced me the IFT technique. So I think it's when I see the result, it's like pretty much natural. So I choose AFT to do the transplant. I think I expect a good result from here. And thank you. I think the approach from IFT is really good. They're handling the team and everything, especially the Ringu. She's always talking, and if I have concerns about the hair transplant, she will explain me everything. And I think it's nice to me do the IFT technique. Yeah, in here. Yeah, thank you. It took around 10 to 12 hours for the surgery, but in between that, there is no that much pain. I don't feel that much pain because of the local anesthesia, and they are doing it like slowly. But the result, I think, I expect a result good because you can see this. They cover all area by one day. Around 5,000 gloves they use. But my experience was really good, and about the doctors and everything, they were asking me every time like you're okay or anything. If anything, you can tell me like that. So I think the experience was really nice.